Master affiliate marketing with these top tips. Has someone ever told you to go into a place of business and tell them that they sent you? Well, if you have, you are already familiar with affiliate marketing. Though word of mouth is important, there are other affiliate marketing campaigns that you can use to help your business, and this video provides you with the tips you need to make it happen. There is no shame in an affiliate asking his or her email subscribers to send that mail out to other people they know. Creating your own tiered reward system as an affiliate is a proven way to improve on your commission rates. And as a bonus, your customers may become affiliates, and you can exponentially increase your earnings. Using videos to help promote your affiliate service is a great way to increase traffic. It's not really hard work either. All you need is to shoot a single video, and then you can post it on countless viral sites, send it via email, and spread the word all over the net. A little bit of work goes a long way with video marketing. If you are trying to maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, make sure you are getting credit for all the traffic you drive. Some programs only pay for purchases made on the first click through from your site, but there are some that credit you for a set number of days after they click from your page. We are all familiar with the concept of affiliate marketing, we just may not understand its formulation. Hopefully, this video has provided you with the basics you need to start your affiliate marketing campaign in as formal or informal a manner as you might like. By following the tips from this video, you are helping to ensure the success of your program. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or no SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.